right there, all four was very loose. Got air pumping, but the tank's not filling. I find no leaks nowhere. That it should be working. And nothing's happening. Shut it off for a minute. See, the pump jerks when you shut it down too. Come here and hold this right here and video this while I'm doing this. You gotta hold it right on here, right where I'm working. Taking this line here loose to see the pressure. I think the diaphragm is busted because I've got air in the tank. But when I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the air that's in the tank coming out. And it's nothing. It's already gone. Not even an ounce. Okay. My theory is when you're, I don't know why. Okay, go ahead and plug it back in. This is with this secondary line off. Come here. Come here. Hold this down here. Don't understand it. We're pumping air. Don't feel like a whole lot. I don't know if I should be able to hold that with my finger and it's not building up no pressure.